Filipino abroad. Now, if you want to see what Filipino life is like across the world, then this is the show for you. This Week in Illustrado is our weekly format where we give to you updates, news, and slice of life from our friends all across the world. Today, we're going to be saying hello to our kabayans in Germany, New Zealand, Singapore, the USA, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and so much more. Guys, don't forget to follow us on our social media handles, and I also want to give a mega shout out to our sponsors who made this episode possible. We have Kumu, Alveo Corp of Ayala Land International, the Visa Center, Denari Cash, and Kayako Watches. Thank you. Now, if you would like to join the This Week gang, you can send us a video from wherever you are across the world. We'd love to feature you. Without further delay, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paolo Benitez, and you're watching another episode of This Week in Illustrado.
Did you know that you can be a permanent resident with work in Canada? The Canadian government offers the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program, or AIPP, where you can live, work, and study in Canada. And if you sign up with the Visa Center this September, we'll take care of your educational credential assessment and give you a free online IELTS training. Sounds awesome, right? So make sure to be one of the lucky 20 individuals to avail this promo. Simply message us today to book your office or online assessment. The Visa Center, shaping a better future.
Hey amigos, Alexis here once again. I'm a travel nurse here in Germany and I've been living here for more than 6 months now. So currently I'm having one of my off days and it's a beautiful summer day. So you know what that means, right? Well, it can only mean one thing, and that's ice cream. It's green now, so that means we can finally cross the street. So I think that's how Germanized I became ever since I got here. I don't do jaywalking anymore, which is quite the norm back in the Philippines. We just don't do that here in Germany. The funny thing is, like, we also went to other European countries and you could tell right off the bat if someone's German or not, if they follow the traffic rules. Also, since I live in a small town now, it took quite a lot of adjusting when it comes to public transportation, since in Cebu, it was just so easy to get a Grab, an Angkas, or anything, or a jeeping. But here in the small town that I live in, though, it's not really that great because, like, although the intercity railway system here in Germany is great, the public transportation around town is not so good at all, or sometimes even non-existent. So when I came in here, I just got more and more accustomed to walking. And when I say walking, that's walking a lot. Be quite great health-wise. I'd say I'm healthier now than I ever was back in the Philippines. A lot of people bike here as well. And since it's summer, a lot of people try to hang out, eat out, because we don't get to do that during winter. Here we are, the ice cream cafe. Okay, so I got myself a spaghetti ice cream. So it's basically just ice cream that looks like a spaghetti. So that's vanilla ice cream in there, and they top it with strawberry sauce and some cheese. Oh, Dankeschön. Which is really great for a sunny afternoon. So until next time, choose.
This week in Singapore. My name is Francis Galbalingo.
And I am Marilyn Malyari.
I've been staying here in Singapore for 6 years, but she came here 1 year earlier. We really like this country for many reasons. We are planning to stay here as long as Singapore still wants us. I am working as a financial advisor here in Singapore, and I am thankful that many Filipinos supports my job, and I still get clients during this period. Working in finance sector is not easy, but it's definitely rewarding.
I work as a consultant at one of the major telecommunications companies here in Singapore. During my off days, I film vlogs for my YouTube channel, and I'm also trying to improve my cooking and baking skills. The temperature today is 30 degrees and mostly cloudy and humid.
Yan. Kahit may pool dito sa condo, hindi masyadong nagagamit. Yan. Ito, children's pool.
Please support our YouTube channels at Francis Galbalingo and at Meryl Malyari. Thank you.
The situation here is slowly getting back to normal. Of course, with some restrictions like limit of gatherings and events. And you need to wear a mask outside. Today, we don't have any additional community case. Every day, we receive updates from the government. Personally, I feel secured here and confident with the way government sectors handle this pandemic. I'm grateful I stay here in Singapore, but I feel sad to those affected. I really hope and pray that this difficult period will end very soon. Stay strong. Thank you so much for having us here. This is Francis.
And this is Meryl
For this week in Illustrado.
Hello everyone, I am Donita, your Pinay teacher in Norway. This week I am here in Steinkjer, Norway.
And it is 14 degrees outside today. It rains a little bit but still the sun shines. Steinkjer is one of the best preserved cities here in the country of Norway, and it is located in the innermost part of the Trondheim Fjord. Steinkjer city is beside to Levanger city, the place where I'm taking an English course to be a teacher. So I need to drive and sometimes to take our airplane to go from the two university where I'm taking up a completing course to be a qualified teacher here in Norway. The school system here in Norway and in the Philippines is pretty much different. That's why it is really helpful to me to take this completing course here in Oslo Metropolitan University. To have a driver's license here in Norway is not so easy. You can check my channel to see, and also to know more about the land of the midnight sun, Norway, and to know about the northern lights of Norway and all those activities that you can enjoy while staying here in Norway, just like to go skiing in the winter. It's not so easy to balance, but then practice makes perfect, and also every summer it's also very good to go hiking. or mountain climbing, or just go to have a road trip here in the most majestic fjords around Norway. And if you want to know more about Norway, their cultures, traditions, and how to speak in Norwegian, visit my YouTube channel, Pinay Teacher in Norway. Once again, I am Donita, your Pinay teacher, in This Week in Illustrado.
This week in Ras Al Khaimah. Right now, since it's almost Christmas, we are at 37 degrees, but a couple of months ago, we experienced a heat wave with a temperature of almost 50 degrees. Ever since I moved to Ras Al Khaimah, I became a fitness enthusiast. I even won Survival of the Fittest competition. And on weekends, I do something fun, like camping. Jebel Jais is the UAE's highest peak, towering at 1,934 meters above sea level. Jebel Jais boasts breathtaking vistas and thrilling adventures. And my favorite part of the week is having my quiet time at the beach, which is a 10-minute walk from my house. But COVID came. With the cases rising, the UAE government managed to keep it under control. Despite the challenges due to the pandemic, I make sure to stay active. And because I can't go to the gym, join me on my new normal workout routine. Every day is a chance to do something good for your body. Wake up, plan your day, eat right, work hard, exercise. And remember, sometimes we're tested not to show our weaknesses, but to discover our strength. So yes, after my workout, I prepare my favorite post-workout drink, which I've learned from my local friends here in Ras Al Khaimah. Shukran! Please make sure to follow me on my YouTube, Facebook, and Kumu account. May we all use this time to stay healthy, active, and happy. Masalama! This is Lindsay for This Week in Illustrado.
I'm Amelia. I'm Adinah. And we're identical twins, bro. So double the trouble and double the fun. Adinah and I are actually young journalists and entertainers from the San Francisco Bay Area.
Naturals. You're born to do this.
Naturals. Thank you for the compliment. Yeah, what you said was kind of something like that I resonate with. It just happened. And I think it was mainly because our parents pushed us to do things that we were not familiar with. And we decided that we liked doing things that we tried. When people say, how do you balance school, being a student, and being a journalist, right? And doing all this stuff? And the answer is we don't. No. There's always going to be priorities with us. We have to be able to prioritize ourselves.
Amelia and Adinah is actually stopped by here today at Fur Parts, and I kind of want to ask them a little bit about how was their experience. I'll give them a quick little
tour. That we've got here today, we checked out Lambos, and later we checked out the Ferraris.
Yes, ladies. Amelia and Adinah, go ahead and welcome them to the show, you guys. Yes, we have start like interviewing people, or did you start dancing, or how did you start in this whole entertainment industry?
Just pushed us to do a whole lot of things, short, Amelia wanted.
Okay.
Curiosity turned to passion.
Okay, wonderful. Well, the passion is very evident when you meet you guys. You can see it.
And you guys are going around everywhere, all over the Bay Area, doing crazy interviews. How did you guys get started doing that?
Oh, you wanna start this off, Amelia? Sure thing. So basically, I'd just like to point out that we have very supportive parents, and which I am thankful for, because you are thankful. Oh, we both. Yeah, we're on behalf of both of us.
Right.
Well, our parents are super supportive, and they push us to do different types of things, right, Adinah? Yeah, I think one of the first things they pushed us to do was try to get into athletics. It didn't work out, but no, it did. I had a lot of fun. And no, but we're not doing it now. Yeah.
Well, it kind of worked out because you have fun, right?
Yeah.
Anything you do, you have fun with. You know what I mean? It works out, right?
I totally agree. But from there, I think it started out to singing and dancing because I don't know. When we went to events, there was always music playing, and you have to have that sort of aspect when you're meeting with I don't know, for lack of terms, bigger people.
No, you guys are huge though. What are you talking about? Hey, watch out for these two, man. They growing out here. You guys are destined to be superstars. Shouts out to your parents for supporting you the way they do. Everywhere I go, I see your dad. He's always out there. He's always having your guys' back. Yeah, the dadager, you feel me? He's always on the case. So shouts out to all the real dads out there supporting their daughters and sons and what they want to do in life.
This week in Illustrado. Francis over there. TikTok queen. Freggy mom.
Guess who's here?
Now in the flesh.
In celebration of Illustrado magazine's Faces Plus successful campaign, we dined and chilled with some of the finalists and winners over the weekend to bond and have some fun.
Hello there, what's up mga citizens here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. My name is Francis Pega, your resident kid. Isa pa man. What's up mga citizens, it's me Francis Pega, your resident citizen dito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. At nandito po tayo sa IHOP para matikman ng kanilang chicken fritters at French fries.
What's up mga citizens? Let's welcome the Kumu King, Francis Pega.
Guys, you're all amazing and beautiful. Follow our journey at Illustrado channel on Kumu, Facebook, and Instagram. And if you guys want to be part of our tribe, just share your video wherever you're at. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. Bye.
So this week in Illustrado, we decided to do something new. We started a new live stream format called Jam With Me, where we feature different Filipino artists and talents, and we have them perform live for you. We just ran the pilot episode on Tuesday and it was a massive success. I want to thank Francoise, Kenzo, and Smo for joining our episode. Here's a couple of clips for the episode. You can also watch the full episode on our page, so check this out.
Shout out sa mga Yama Sushi dyan.
Guys,
dami namang Yama Sushis.
Oo, yung fanboys.
Daming fans ni Kenzo.
Ayun, no?
Grabe naman kayo. Mahal nyo naman. Huwag naman ganyan, na-joke lang.
Please say be strong for me. Heart in my sleeve. For you I will still believe.
If I wanted to get you off my mind, it ain't gonna happen, babe. It ain't gonna happen, babe. I've been going through some problems, but you only wanna talk about your problems. It's nothing serious, I promise. You can go on with your day, I'll be fine, babe.
Once again, thank you guys for making our episode possible. And if you want to see more Jam With Me, tune into our Facebook and Kumu on Tuesdays from 6 to 7 p.m. DXD. We're going to be bringing more artists and more talent along the way. And aside from that, yeah. My name is Paolo Benitez, ladies and gentlemen. You can follow me on my social media tags at the bottom. I think it's here or here. And remember that if you want to join the This Week gang, you can send us a video from wherever you are across the world. We'd love to feature you. Until then, thank you for watching another episode of This Week in Illustrado. We're gonna see you next week.